Before starting this video, I just want you guys to see what we are going to do in this videos. So this is the first and second and the third drawing over here. We will do it live. So let's begin. This is our first. So in this I have done really wet and wet watercolor. I stopped once and I let it dry. So I will not say entirely the dry and dry watercolor, but yes, it is kind of a dry and dry watercolor itself. So these two sketches that I'm going to draw right now in watercolor are some kind of practice sketch that will help me to understand and learn how the last work of mine will be, and what colors should what colors I should achieve in that. So it is good for that. And right there I just stopped for a moment, I let it dry, and then I did the second tone. uh, so in second tone I'm using more of reddish, because the peaches that I was drawing are have this reddish tone in themselves. And yeah, in this I just messed up. The between one I just messed up, it was a little bit of yellow, but I really went a lot of red in it, and that was my mistake. I am not going to put, do it like a realism work. I'm just practicing right now, so it will be, not realism. I will not achieve realism in this. Of just understanding the colors and the fundamentals, all about that, and that is it. So this was the first sketch. Now we will go to second. Right now I just cut it off, and it was really hard to cut. Now I just had, a problem in, when I was making it outer skin, sorry, inner skin. The yellowish part was really hard to make, and I really messed up in this one. So yes, making peas, skin like real skin, kind of, achieving the colors that it have, it is really a little bit hard, and I should practice a little bit more, because in this I really messed up a big time. But yes, I will say that peach skin is not really orange or not really red. It is little bit of pinkish with orange color itself. That, color we also known as peach. So peach is also known. Peach color is little bit tough to make. In the end, I was thinking, I have not used white color in it, and that was my mistake. If I have used a little bit of white when I was drawing the inner skin and outer skin, uh, that will give a better contrast in the peach object itself, and that was my mistake. But afterwards, I really messed up when I put, little bit of bunch china in red. It had a very deep tendency of redness. It was really shining like a tomato and of stuff, and that's why I feel this drawing was, a waste of effort. I will say, not not really waste of effort, but it really went wrong because of my own foolishness, and that really pissed me off. That is the thing. but in the end I will say it was looking a little bit okay to me, and the colors came out really good. The bun china really shined up, but the pieces that I have cut, they were not looking as good as it is. So yeah, I really messed up over there. So now I will go for the second, third work. I just throw it down and then yeah, like this. Little bit of sketching because I'm really bad in sketching, and I think I should practice a lot more sketching. That will help me. So I so in middle of this work, I really ate what I was drawing, and that was really pissing me off. I really ate something that was not supposed to eat, and I really messed up in this whole well. So now we will start watercolor. And in this work I will be going to draw it like a real thing. I will try. I'm not going to match the colors, I'm going to put my own colors and what I have learned for the past two drawings that I've drawn. So in this it will be more like what I have learned all over, and I hope this thing will help me in my future as well. In this particularly drawing or watercolor, I have used a lot of various colors like yellow, lemon yellow, green, orange, Indian orange, crimson red, purple, blue, ultramarine, and violet. Little bit, I will say violet. Yeah, violet. So a lot of colors, but I also forgot to use white. So yeah, that was my mistake. So next time I will try. We will draw again peach someday. I will actually. We not we will. I will draw a peach again, in which I will use a lot of white to understand how peach skin works, and then I will go with oil work as well. But I'm thinking because the colors are not understandable right now, and that is really pissing me off. But yes, it was going quite well. But then I put this. I just ruined the background. Sorry, the foreground I will say. With I just suddenly use I was going to use Persian blue, but I just suddenly used black in it, and the entire drawing was gone. The entire drawing is like boom. So yeah, I messed up over here. It was going quite good, and I will say that I was liking it in the end, but after using black, I really messed up. So yes, I hate this one now. Thank you, and nice day.